Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this GTR R35 EBA from 16 onwards. Now if you could try and get to this unit, okay, which this one has gone, but it's very common in the old model CBA and DBA. This is the EBA, very unlikely for it to go. However, I am going to show you how we can get to this unit here. So we can start off by this is what I would recommend without breaking anything. You just literally hold on to the sides, okay, this side and that side, and you lift and it'll come off. Obviously I'd turn the car on, put it into D and turn it off, pull the handbrake all the way up, otherwise you're not going to have much room, as you can see. So that's what I'm going to do. These are the wiring. I'd take these off. There we go. And obviously these as well. I think I'm working with one hand. Reality is just unplug these. So the most difficult part was this here. I don't know why cameras. There we go. It's that there. Press down, pull all the way. And then you've got these screws here, and here. There's another one here by the looks of it. There it is. So that one, that one, 4. Someone's already had a go at this anyway. What a brilliant person to do this. I mean, they've damaged it. Well done to them. Anyway, this then just pulls out like this. Obviously I'm using one hand. In your case it'll be 2. Just pull it all the way. So once you do, there's a screw here as well, which well onto the guy before. I didn't put it back. Pull this to the side. That's it. Now we're on this here. We'll move on. So just pull this. There we go. And pull this. There we are. And then you've got. We'll have a look at this as well. So this red trim, just pull, comes out. This one also comes out, but there is a screw here. So I'd take this out. So pulls out straight away like this. You've got all these lovely wires there, guys. That'll be a case of just taking the time and checking them really.